now we're going to see if you can have retained anything between S1 and S2. This is just a review. It's a mixture to be able to put everything together and be able to dissect which part goes where. It's pretty much the same thing, no matter if it's logarithmic or natural logarithmic. All right, so write the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So we're in natural log of 6 is approximately 1.792. Write the logarithmic equation in exponential form. We have log base 5 of 1 equals 0. So the log is the exponent, and we're looking for the exponent. So that is going to be 0. Log base 10. So there's the 10. The exponent is 3. So this is going to be 1,000. Write the logarithmic equation in exponential form. 9 to the 0 equals 1. Natural log of 3, that's a 3, equals 1.099. Write the logarithmic equation in exponential form. So we have all blanks. We have to figure out what goes where. It is a natural log equation. So what would the base be for a natural log? The base is e. Now which of these boxes is going to be the base? Well, the base is the one that has the exponent. Which one has the exponent? This one does. So that is e. So I've taken care of natural log. The exponent is your answer. So the exponent goes there. And then 0.007 is what it approximately is. That's it.